So we're gonna do AI challenges. Most of you are in your groups already for Robopalooza, right? But look, you will start on this one, you will drive to this other corner, you will drive down to this corner, turn, and drive down to this corner, over here, finally turn and return to where you started.
Hourglass thing, and right now I'm going to try to drive forward in a straight line. My name is Jesse and I am in 5th grade. One challenge that I've solved using AI would honestly be figuring out how to move forward, make a 360 turn, and just keep going straight. In order to use the AI, you have to type in what you want to make, and then you have to follow the AI's instructions. All right, so now that we've lined it up. So new skills that I've learned is how to measure things in inches. Whenever, when I was doing the hourglass, I checked to see how many inches I needed to make the first base of the hourglass, and I discovered it was not 100. So now I'm lowering it down to 67, and we'll see how that turns out.
Help. You know how you did it in a circle? Like how you made all that?
Well, although AI does, it does help you a lot, you still do need to know basic coding skills too, because sometimes you're not gonna have the AI around with you, so it's good to have your own skills just in general. One time with AI, I had solved completing a triangle, and it did take a few attempts, but I managed to get it.
I was working on to make sure the thing that senses the sensor, it senses a color and it does what it's supposed to do. You go back.
You go back, we don't want it, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, we're gonna turn back a little bit, do a 180, and then go where?
Back to
home. Yeah.
The purpose of AI in robotics is it helps you with challenging stuff. When I see my robot complete bench that I have to do, I feel excited because they did the thing and I'm probably gonna get congratulated.
¿Sí? No, si es rojo, nomás lo va a dejar. Si es azul, entonces agarra y ponlo ahí en el... Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice.